Hey everybody, kind of want to do a little shop update and a mail call. So I got a few shop cards I would like to recognize the people for. Appreciate them sending them out to me and being part of the community of the model building that we all are. Ken Robertson's historical scale models, and then his Show Rod Garage. That sure is a cool car right there. He does a lot of the old kits that you wish you had money that you can still have, especially when you're my age, and you never had a chance of buying them. Now it's a fortune to get them. But so you get a little bit of that eBay fever after watching him. But he's got some great builds. Jim's Model Car Garage. Jim's a great guy. Gets a lot of great builds. If you ain't subscribed to him, which I'm sure you are, please check him out. Thanks for kind words on the back, both you guys. Now this is a pretty cool card, especially with the season coming up, from Rick Zink. Them skeletons are really cool. And some really cool old bike and dragster needs some work, but the one guy just won't stop drinking. So check him out. Thanks for the card. And everybody knows James Morris. It's a really cool card. Get your diorama going. Got some figures checking out the car. So he also sent me the engine detail pamphlet. Thanks a lot, James. I really appreciate it. So anybody, please check them out. It's a great thing about the community. Everybody supports each other. So on to the shop update part. As you can see, this build I got behind me, I got the guy back there working on it. This is a build I did probably back in probably 97. So I was probably around 13, 14 years old at that time. So it looked a lot better back when I did it, back then. But it's been sitting in a box, in a garage or in a shed or anything like that. It's got a lot of wear and tear on it. And you can see the bare metal foils pretty much deteriorating. And this is a reason why I like clear coating it, because I've seen it deteriorate on this model before. And then you can see the chrome wheels. A lot of the chrome is gone. It'd probably take 2 seconds to strip this chrome off of what's left. And sometimes that's a good reason to just strip it off anyhow and paint it. So, but I haven't seen this kit out in a while. I don't even know which one it is. I'm thinking it would be an AMT kit. And I don't think I have another one in my stash. But I never see them with this blower anymore. At least the newer ones. That's one of them older style blowers. And I don't think I added that to it. I think this is a box stock kit. But the interior is all one color. The bumpers are all falling off and stuff, so it looks pretty good as a barn find. But one thing I like to do, I get about 4 kits. That's from back in the day, where I want to completely redo them. So I'm going to try taking this apart throwing her in the purple pond, letting it eat that paint off, and seeing how that goes. So, as you can expect from a 13-year-old, the whole bottom side is one color. So I think it's 3 total colors on this whole thing. The interior creamy tan, the orange on the outside, and the black all the rest. I don't think nothing's broke so far, so I'm hoping once I take everything apart it won't be broke. But this is one of my next projects. It might take a little while to get started on it, but I am going to try to do a video of the processes as it goes. So kind of like the big guys, you know, the ones with the 100,000 subscribers and stuff, the ones that everybody wants to watch. So somehow I gotta make the videos a little bit more interesting for you guys, instead of my voice trying to make you guys fall asleep. So let me know. I wanted to get that shop cards out. It's been quite a while since I've said anything to anybody about them. They've been here for a while. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you then. Bye.